If you want to change your life in 2026, I will give you 3 tips in which you can make and change your life. So, hello everyone, welcome back to day 15 of 21 day English speaking challenge. And today I am going to talking about 3 daily skill and tricks in which you can use it to change your life for completely in this year. So let's talk about the first. The first is generate a skill in yourself. In this real world, if you want a money, you have to learn a skill. And in this 2026 year, the skill which I prefer most is a web development, AI related any skills, and digital marketing. These three are very important skills you have to learn to earn a good money. You also do and learn training, but it requires lot more time to understand the training criteria, trading criteria, market value, etc. So and now number two is you have to follow a disciplined timetable. You have to make your one daily routine and stick to it, because in every path discipline is very important to your success. And now at a last, the number three is make a good personality. You have to follow the discipline. With it you can make a good personality, and it is related to step 2. And steps to follow a good and make a good personality: first is exercise. You build your body physically. Meditation, by mentally you prepare your body. By analytical thinking, you put yourself in that situation where you take a difficult and put a lot of time to taking a decision. So these 3 habits you inculcate in your daily routine, and you will see the change after the 1 year. And if this video is helpful for you, like and subscribe and join our 21 day English speaking challenge. Thank you, and see you tomorrow on day